Nana. Today I discuss a new chapter Nana. Dual nature of radiation, its matter. Dual nature of radiation, its matter Nana. Okay, very important chapter Nana. Look here today. Nana, alternating currents already yesterday class work completed Nana. Today practice exercise completed. Today practice exercise some problems. Okay, some problems solve in the afternoon and quality factor I can explain today afternoon Nana. Quality factor explain and practice exercise explain from 3:30 to 4 o'clock. Okay, today afternoon Nana. Here dual nature of radiation means Nana, dual nature of radiation, the new chapter. In the chapter Nana, in the chapter light propagated dual nature of radiation. In the chapter light propagated in the form of energy packets according to Planck quantum theory. Once again I repeat, according to Planck quantum theory, light have energy packets. According to Planck quantum theory, light in the form of energy packets. Each energy packet is called as quanta. According to dual nature, according to Planck quantum theory, light propagated in the form of energy packets. Each energy packet is called quanta. Quanta is nothing but the photon. Quanta is nothing but the photon. Simply, this energy packet is called as photon. One energy packet, one photon. Two energy packets, two photons. Okay, Nana? Look here. This is photon is a energy. Photon is nothing but the energy. It's not a particle. Very important Nana. Look here. Photon is not a particle Nana. It is a form of energy. Once again I repeat. Light is a form of energy. Light consists of energy packets. Simply, one energy packet is nothing but the photon. Simply, photon is not a particle. It not a particle. It is the form of energy. మరి ఇది పార్టికల్ కాదు కాబట్టి its mass, simply its rest mass is 0. Rest mass of the photon is 0. మరి ఇది పార్టికల్ కాదు కాబట్టి its charge is 0. Photon charge is 0. Charge 0 means electrical force formula EQ. Magnetic force formula QVB sin theta. Nana, this is force formula on electrical field. This is force formula on magnetic field. Here charge of the photon is 0, so that's why electrical force and magnetic force acting on the photon is 0. Because charge is 0, here 0 into anything 0, That's why electrical force and magnetic force not acting on the photon. That's why photon not deflected by electrical field and magnetic field. Photon not deflected by electrical field and magnetic field. Energy of the photon, h nu. Here h is a Planck's constant, nu is the frequency of the photon. Here E indicate energy of photon. Okay, look here now. But according to chemistry, V and lambda relation is V equal to n lambda. Here V indicate velocity of light c, frequency denoted by nu, lambda is nothing but the wavelength. Okay, in the chapter, what is the nu value? Nu value is, look here Nana, nu value is, look here, c by lambda. Nu value is c by lambda. This is the equation number 2. What is the energy of photon? First formula, h nu. What is the energy of photon? Second formula, hc by lambda. Here h value, we know that Planck's constant value 6.6 into 10 power minus 34. Velocity of light is 3 into 10 power 8 whole by lambda. Here lambda taken as angstrom. Okay, Nana, once again lambda here. What is the unit of energy, Nana? Joule. Okay, but in the chapter energy measured in electron volt, EV. This is the unit of energy in the chapter. One EV value, here look here, 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joule. Once again repeat, one EV value 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joule. Simply 1 joule write as EV by 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Here write. Neatly write as E equal to 6.6 into 10 power minus 34 into 3 into 10 power 8 whole by here lambda. Here joule replaced by EV. Here joule replaced by EV by 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. It will be calculated. Finally we get 12,400 by lambda. Here lambda taken in angstrom. What is the new unit of energy? EV. EV is nothing but the electron volt. This is not necessary. What is the first formula for energy of photon? H nu. What is the second formula for energy of photon? Hc by lambda. What is the third formula for energy? In shortcut, 12,400 by lambda in angstrom. Here energy unit is EV. one EV value 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joule. Okay, keep in your mind these three formulas. Energy is, photon is not a particle, it only form of energy. That's why rest mass of the photon is 0 and charge of the photon is 0. Electric effect. Photoelectric effect. In the topic, Nana, I take two metal plates. Nana, look here. This is the metal plate. This is the another metal plate. This plate is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. So this plate is called as cathode. This plate is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. This plate is called anode. Okay, look here now. Here light have certain frequency fall on the metal plate. Light have certain frequency fall on the metal plate. Light have certain frequency fall on the metal plate. Okay, every metal plate, Nana, according to electricity, a large number of free electrons is there. One atom, one free electron. A substance consists of large number of atoms, large number of free electrons. Once again I repeat, free electron is nothing but the outermost electron. This nucleus anko atom nana idi. Electrons revolve avta untayi. Ee outermost electron is nothing but the free electron nana. It is less bound to the nucleus. Okay, look here now. Here light fall on the metal plate. Metal plate have large number of electrons, free electrons. Here light, according to Planck quantum theory, light consists of energy packets. Each energy packet is called as photon. Simply, ఒక్క ఫోటాను ఒక్క ఎలక్ట్రాన్ని అవుట్ చేస్తుంది. 2 photons 2 electronsని అవుట్ చేస్తాయి. 3 energy packets 3 electronsని అవుట్ చేస్తాయి. Simply, number of packets increases, number of electrons emission increases. For example, one packet తీసుకుంటాం. This packet energy, this is called energy of the packet. Here energy of the incident light, energy of the incident light here utilized for two purposes. Once again I repeat, energy of incident light can be utilized for two purposes. One is electron just outside. This energy is called W naught. Once again I repeat, total energy enta E. Energy of incident light can be utilized for two purposes. One is electron just outside from the metal plate. The minimum energy required, electron just emit. that is called work function. And remaining energy, here this electron moves from cathode to anode. Motion of the energy is called kinetic energy. Once again I repeat, look here. Energy of incident light can be utilized for two purposes. One is work function, another one is kinetic energy. Suppose నువ్వు ఇచ్చిన ఎనర్జీ 10, ఎలక్ట్రాన్ జస్ట్ అవుట్ అవడానికి 6 అవసరం. మరి ఇప్పుడు 10 ఇస్తే 6 యూటిలైజ్ అయింది, ఇంకెంత ఉంది 4. ఈ 4 ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఏం చేస్తుంది, మూవ్. డూ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నువ్వు ఒక 8 జౌల్ ఎనర్జీ ఇచ్చావు, ఎలక్ట్రాన్ జస్ట్ అవుట్ అవడానికి 3 జౌల్స్ రిక్వైర్. రిమైనింగ్ 5 joules to move the electron. Okay, do you understand? Here energy of incident light can be utilized for two purposes. One is electron move from metal plate, electron move from inside to outside, and next coming electron moving from one plate to other plate. Simply energy of incident light can be utilized for two purposes. One is work function, another one is kinetic energy. This is called Einstein photoelectric equation. Once again, this is called Einstein photoelectric equation. Einstein photoelectric equation. Look here now, all of you. Here electron coming from outside, inside నుంచి ఎక్కడికి వచ్చింది, outside. These electrons are called photoelectrons. This current is called photoelectric current. This effect is called photoelectric effect. Saket, look here. Once again I repeat. Light have certain frequency, fall on the metal plate. Electrons are emitted from the metal plate. These electrons are called photoelectrons. This effect is called photoelectric effect. This current is called photoelectric current. Okay, this is the photoelectric equation is E equal to W naught plus KE. Here what is the W naught? First I discuss W naught today. What is the W naught? Here W naught is called work function. Pavan challoki ekkada jainaya. Here nana work function means this is the metal plate nana. Inside a free electrons are there. Here electron just comes outside. The minimum energy required, once again, the minimum energy required, electron just outside. This minimum energy is called work function. Once again repeat, what is the formula, what is the definition of work function? Work function is nothing but the energy required. Here electron just emit. This minimum energy is called work function. work function denoted by W naught. Mathematical formula is H nu naught. Equation number 1. ఇందాక ఈకి ఫార్ములా ఏమి రాసాం? హెచ్ న్యూ. ఇక్కడ డబ్ల్యూ నాట్కి ఫార్ములా హెచ్ న్యూ నాట్. నెక్స్ట్ నన్ హియర్ న్యూ నాట్ రైట్ యాజ్ సి బై లాంబ్డా నాట్. ఓకే, ఈక్వేషన్ నెంబర్ 2. Here all the values substitute. Finally we get 12,400 by lambda in angstrom. Energy unit is electron volt. This is the shortcut formula to solve the problems. Equation number 3. This is not lambda, lambda naught. మరి ఇక్కడ న్యూ నాట్ ఏంటి సార్ అంటే థ్రెషోల్డ్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ. థ్రెషోల్డ్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ. వాట్ ఈస్ ద థ్రెషోల్డ్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ? ద మినిమమ్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఆఫ్ లైట్. Threshold frequency means the minimum frequency of light electron just emit. This frequency is nothing but the threshold frequency. Here lambda naught, this is called threshold wavelength. Threshold wavelength means maximum wavelength of the incident light electron just emit. This wavelength is called threshold wavelength. Once again I repeat, the minimum energy of incident light electron just emit. The minimum energy is called work function. The minimum frequency of light required electron just emit. The minimum frequency of incident light is called threshold frequency. Threshold frequency. Okay, Nana? Nana, next. The maximum wavelength of the incident light required electron just emit. The wavelength is called threshold wavelength. What is the first formula for work function? H nu naught. What is the second formula for work function? Hc by lambda naught. What is the third formula for work function? 12,400 by lambda in angstrom. Work function unit is EV. Are very useful to solve the problems. Work function depends on mainly work function depends on nature of material. Nature of material. Look here. For example, this metal plate is constant. Always work function is constant. Metal plate changes, work function changes. Simply work function mainly depends upon the nature of the metal plate. Metal plate is constant, work function is constant. Simply in the experiment, same metal plate is used. Always work function is constant. Simply work function does not change. Metal plate consists of large number of free electrons. Here light fall on the metal plate have certain frequency. Okay na? Have light fall on the metal plate have certain frequency. Electron emit. Here given energy of incident light is E. This is given 10. Work function requires 6. Remaining 4 utilize electron movement. Okay, this is called Einstein photoelectric equation. Here, what is the formula for kinetic energy? Of mv square. What is the formula for kinetic energy? Of mv square. Okay, look here now. For example, here this plate is negative, terminal of the battery connected. This plate is connected positive terminal of the battery. Here vacuum is there. This is called cathode. For example, work function of the metal is 6 eV. In the chapter energy measured in eV. 1 eV ante how many joules? Jaisha 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joule. This is the work function. Look here. For example, energy of incident light is given 5 eV. నువ్వు ఇచ్చింది 5 eV. ఎలక్ట్రాన్ బయటికి రావాలంటే ఎంత కావాలి? 6 eV కావాలి. మరి ఎలక్ట్రాన్ బయటకు వస్తుందా? చూడండి, నువ్వు ఇచ్చిన ఎనర్జీ 5 eV. ఎలక్ట్రాన్ జస్ట్ ఎమిట్ 6 eV required. We given energy is less. That's why here electron not emitted. Here photoelectrons are not emitted. Photoelectric effect not working. That means compulsory electron just comes from the metal plate. The light have certain frequency ORR. Light have certain energy have contained. Light కి ఏముండాలి? బంగారు కొండలు సర్టైన్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఉండాలి. అప్పుడు మాత్రమే కంపల్సరీ ఈ వాల్యూ greater or equal to W naught. In the situation electron comes out. Simply energy means h nu. Light have certain frequency. That frequency always greater or equal to threshold frequency. Then electron emit. Then electron emit. Then electron emit. మనకి అకార్డింగ్ టు ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ light means electromagnetic wave. Light is nothing but the electromagnetic wave. Based on frequency, light have classified into 7 types. The first type is radio wave. The second wave is microwave. Third wave is infrared rays. Fourth wave is visible light. The next wave is UV rays, ultraviolet rays. Next is X-rays. Next is gamma rays. According to frequency, light have simply electromagnetic wave have classified into 7 types. Okay na? First wave is radio waves. The second wave is microwaves. Third wave is radio waves, microwaves, infrared rays, visible light, ultraviolet rays, X-rays, gamma rays. This is increasing of frequency. Simply, this is increasing of energy. వీటిల్లో హై ఎనర్జెటిక్ రేస్ ఏవి? గామా రేస్. వెరీ లో ఎనర్జెటిక్ రేస్ ఏవి? రేడియో వేవ్స్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ లో ఎనర్జీ, దట్ ఈజ్ హై ఎనర్జీ. దిస్ ఈజ్ లో ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ, దట్ ఈజ్ హై ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ. దిస్ ఈజ్ హై వేవ్ లెంత్, that is low wavelength, because frequency and wavelength inversely here. Nana mari photo electron emit avali ante here energy of incident light more undali. Anduke nana these radio waves fall on the metal plate. Photo electrons are not emitted. Microwaves ki not emitted. Infrared rays ki not emitted. విజిబుల్ లైట్లో విబ్జిఆర్ అని కలర్స్ ఉంటాయి. విబ్జిఆర్, వైలెట్, ఇండిగో, వైలెట్, ఇండిగో, బ్లూ, గ్రీన్, yellow, orange, red. Once again, violet, indigo, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. These four colors only emit the electrons. What four colors in the visible light? Violet, indigo, blue, green. Whose colors cannot emit the photoelectrons? Yellow light, orange light, red light cannot emit the photoelectrons because its energy is very less. UV rays emit the photoelectrons, X-rays emit the photoelectrons, gamma rays emit the photoelectrons. Simply these four emit the photoelectrons. Which light have emit the photoelectrons? Visible light, UV rays, X-rays, gamma rays. Once again, visible light, UV rays, X-rays, gamma rays. Once again I repeat, visible light, UV rays, X-rays, gamma rays. Visible light, UV rays, X-rays, gamma rays. These four emit the photoelectrons. Visible light lo kuda anta emit cheyu, only emit chestayi. Violet, indigo, blue, green colors gives the photoelectrons. Yellow, orange, red cannot give the photoelectrons. Keep in your mind. Mari photoelectrons ediki ravu? Radio waves, microwaves, infrared rays, these three cannot give the photoelectrons because photoelectrons are released. Light have some minimum energy required. ORR light have certain frequency is required. That's why light have certain frequency is required. That's why light have certain frequency is required. That's why okay, the minimum energy required. That's why radio waves, microwaves, infrared rays cannot give the photoelectrons. Nana, only visible light, some part of the visible light gives photoelectrons. UV rays gives photoelectrons, X rays and gamma rays release the photoelectrons. Okay, Nana, look here.